Bombshell developments are expected today in the Charlie Kirk murder case. We will hear from Tyler Robinson's former roommate and former romantic partner, Lance Twiggs. Robinson is charged with killing Charlie Kirk last year. Prosecutors say Robinson confessed to Twiggs in text messages shortly after the conservative activist was shot on a Utah college campus. Robinson's attorneys are objecting to the release of that Twiggs video interview today. Meanwhile, today's hearing coincides with the start of Turning Point USA's Chapter Leadership Summit. TPUSA, of course, is the group that Kirk founded. And War Secretary Pete Hegseth will be speaking there in just a few hours from now. Let's get out to NewsNation national correspondent Nancy Liu, who's live in Provo, Utah at that courthouse for us. Nancy, get us up to speed on what we're expecting today, because today is expected to be the most dramatic day of this whole hearing.
That's right, Markie, and there's so much anticipation. Dozens of people are already here, hoping to get those limited public seats. A few people spent the night here. Obviously, a lot of anticipation about that recorded testimony of Lance Twiggs. That, of course, is Tyler Robinson's former roommate and lover. After lengthy, multiple arguments by both sides, Judge Tony Graff ruled to allow prosecutors to play the recorded statement with more than 15 minutes of redactions, though he will be considering the full recording in his trial decision. Erica Kirk, she was quite emotional during this portion of the hearing, and for the first time, we heard from the Kirk family's attorney, who argued for the full release.
To not be transparent here, to not be open, to not let the world see what happened, will create doubt and distrust in the judicial system. And that's not what anybody wants. That's not what any of us believe should happen here. And we'd ask the court to consider the position of the family in making its ultimate decision.
During day 3, we also learned Lance Twiggs had been interviewed twice, providing sworn testimony to investigators after Robinson turned himself in exchange for immunity. Prosecutors say in that recording, Twiggs details conversations with Robinson leading up to the shooting. It's not known yet if those comments are among the recorded portions the judge ordered to be redacted from today's publication. Day 3 also brought more new video, this time of Tyler Robinson in a police interrogation room after turning himself in on September 12th at the urging of his parents and a family friend. Robinson is seen in a baseball cap and a maroon shirt, possibly the same shirt seen in early surveillance video on the UVU campus the day Charlie Kirk was shot and killed. Now, the defense has aggressively argued against the release of the Twiggs recording, of the text message exchanges, of a handwritten letter and other evidence. They claim public consumption of all of this, it could impact future jury selection, as well as Tyler Robinson's right to a fair trial. Now, this hearing, it's supposed to wrap tomorrow. The prosecution, though, 2 more witnesses. The defense, 2 more witnesses. So we expect things are going to go at a pretty quick clip in the next 2 days, beginning this morning with the voice of Lance Twiggs.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.